Hello Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus Signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Virgo, pauna mensahe po ninyo ay rainbow waterfall. Miracles are unfolding sa buhay ninyo at this time. So, napakaganda nito Virgo. I-align na natin ang sarili natin, ang energies natin towards these miracles, no? Para talagang mahatak natin yan towards us. Maaaring yung mga miracles na to could be in various areas of life. It could be in a different situation sa buhay natin. Maaring ito na yung breakthrough na hinihintay natin. Maaring ito na yung mga kasagutan sa mga dasal natin, Virgo. What else? We have purification. Ayan. So, you may need to purify and detoxify yourself, no? Siguro yung physical body ninyo kailangan ng detoxification, yung isip ninyo, yung damdamin ninyo, you may need to declutter, no? Declutter that para maalis yung mga impurities, matanggal yung mga negativity, no? It's about time na para makahinga ka ng malalim, diba? Yung magkaroon kayo ng peace, mawala na yung tinik sa inyong dibdib. We have change. Ayan. May mga pagbabagong magaganap sa buhay ninyo sa ngayon. Virgo, no? So, yung mga pagbabagong ito, depende sa inyong sitwasyon. Depende. Maaring merong pagbabago sa mga relationships ninyo, sa relationship dynamics, pamilya, work, career, business, or baka mga ibang klaseng relationship ninyo tulad na lamang ng mga pagkakaibigan. So may mga changes, no, sa buhay ninyo. What else? We have acceptance. Ayan. So napakaganda rin ito kasi maaaring you are going to let go of your control, no, of something or of someone, and maybe you're going to accept na sadyang ganun talaga ang buhay, 'di ba? Kailangan natin tanggapin kung ano ang nag-unfold sa buhay natin. Kailangan nating i-embrace rather than pigilan natin, rather than kontrahin natin, rather than diktahan natin. Let's just accept it. 'Di ba? Kasi ganun talaga. Kung tao man ito, let them be. 'Di ba? Let them be. Allow them to be themselves. Yung ganun. Kung sitwasyon man ito, 'di ba? Let's just accept what is happening kasi lahat naman ng nangyayari is according to the divine order and timing, hindi ba? Yung acceptance na to could be also radical acceptance about who you really are, no? Baka meron din gano'n na may in denial kayo about something sa sarili ninyo, sa buhay ninyo na baka maaring hindi ninyo matanggap, 'di ba? May mga katangian siguro kayo, talents, skills, or gifts na in the past hindi ninyo matanggap, hindi ninyo ina-acknowledge na parte yan ng sarili ninyo. So, ngayon, maaaring matatanggap mo na yan. Matatanggap mo na siguro ng buong buo, no, yung sarili ninyo. We have angel number 0505. Ayan, unexpected shift. Merong mga hindi inaasahan, no, na pagbabago dito sa buhay ninyo. So, yung change na to could be that. At ang mga pagbabagong ito, this is divine intervention. Maybe, meron ditong gagawin ng universe para sa'yo, no? Maaring kailangan ng baguhin ito, matagal na. At maaring you were not taking action, no? Sa bagay na yan, kaya it is the universe now going to do its favor para sa'yo at siya na yung magbabago. So, ayun, baka may mga sorpresa, no, na paparating dito, and that is those changes. This number serves as a gentle nudge to pursue whatever interests you most. It's possible that something could rock your boat, but you'll end up exactly where you belong, which could be in somebody's arms, your dream job, or abroad, etc. Ayan. So, meron a little shake up, no, na maaaring mangyari sa iba sa inyo, Virgo. Okay? This message is not for everyone, okay? So, as I always remind you na this is a general reading, hindi po ito one-on-one reading. Kaya hindi lahat ng mensahe rito ay magre-resonate sa inyo. Kunin nyo lang po kung ano lang yung nakaka-relate kayo or kung ano yung sumasakto sa inyong sitwasyon. Otherwise, kung hindi naman nakaka-resonate sa inyo, then don't take the message because hindi yan para sa iyo. Okay? So, sabi rito, it's possible that something could rock your boat, no? So, maaaring meron ditong a little shake up, no, sa buhay ng iba sa inyo at yun ang magkakaroon ng hindi inaasahang pagbabago. Okay? But this is going to align you to your destiny. This is going to align you to your purpose. Kung ano man ang event na ito. So, what else? Angel number 0330. There is love, peace, hope, and optimism na mararamdaman kayo. Pursue your goals and get what you want. Ayan, kung ano yung goal ninyo, go for it. Go for it. Pagtrabahuan ninyo, work for it. Kasi wala naman basta-basta na lang bumabagsak sa lap natin, hindi ba? We need to work on it. We need to put effort on it. So it will provide wonderful benefits for you and the people you hold dear. Your ability to communicate is improving at this time, which will make it easier for you to interact with a broad spectrum of individuals. We have angel number 1414. Yan. May mga mood swings, no? Yung iba sa inyo rito. And there's also respect, no? That will be, talaga ngayon, displayed. Maybe that's towards family, no? Respeto sa inyong pamilya, yung ganon. Sabi rito, focus on your needs, desires, and hobbies. Everything is more accessible with a light attitude. You will be blessed with new opportunities. Wow, napakaganda nito. Maaaring yung miracle na to could be this, no, na bibigyan ka ngayon ng mga bagong oportunidad, bagong kaibigan, or maybe may bagong papasok sa buhay ninyo. Good vibes will speed up the process. So, dapat feeling light ka lang, no? Feeling light. Chill lang. We have angel number 1011. Take action. Ayan. So, kailangan na talaga na mag-take action kayo towards your dreams, towards your goals, yung ganon. There is hope. No? There is hope. Buhay na buhay ang pag-asa sa puso ninyo. There are new beginnings coming your way as well. No? You're going to start fresh in some areas of life. This is a call to action to move forward. The sooner you get going, the sooner you will accomplish what you set out to do. Ganun naman talaga, 'di ba? Habang may pagkakataon, habang merong oportunidad, no? Gawin niyo na, simulan niyo na. Kasi the earlier na gawa na ninyo ng paraan, the earlier na gawin mo yung mag-effort ka, mas mabilis kang matatapos, mas mabilis mong ma-achieve yung kung ano man ang gusto ninyong ma-achieve. Those with patience will eventually reap the rewards of your perseverance. Good luck. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.